Let's make an orb. So I made this a while ago. I thought you might like to learn how to do the orbs. You want to duplicate your background layer. Make a circle. Apply a layer mask. Control click on your layer mask. Go to Filter, Distort, Spherize. Click OK. And if you want to warp it a bit more, you can go to Filter, Distort, 12. Click OK. Double click on your layer. Go to Inner Glow. Use something like these settings. On a new layer, you can add some extra shadow and highlights. Get a nice soft brush. Orbs, eh? Subscribe for more. Probably not more orbs though. Maybe some orbs. Go to Filter, Distort.